Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. In this video, I'll show you how to refund a game on Steam and get your money back. Before we start, Steam's standard refund policy is simple. You should request the refund within 14 days of purchasing the game, and you should have less than 2 hours of playtime. If you are outside these limits, you can still submit a request, but the refund is not guaranteed. Now, open Steam on your computer and log into your account. At the top, click Help, and then select Steam Support. Now click Purchases. Find and select the game that you want to refund. On the next page, choose the option related to requesting a refund, and then click I'd like to request a refund. Now choose how you want to receive your money back. Depending on your original payment method, Steam may let you refund the money to your original payment method or to your Steam wallet. Next, select the reason why you want to refund the game. You can also add a short explanation if necessary. Once everything is selected, click Submit Request. Steam will now review your refund request, and you will receive an email when a decision has been made. If the refund is approved, Steam says the money is normally refunded within about 1 week, although the exact time can depend on your payment method. One important thing to remember is that Steam can only refund purchases made through Steam. If you purchased a Steam key from another website or retailer, you normally need to contact that seller for the refund. Also, avoid repeatedly buying and refunding games just to play them for free, because Steam can restrict refunds if the system is being abused. So that's how you can request a Steam game refund. Just open Steam Support, go to Purchases, select your game, request the refund, choose your refund method, and submit the request. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.